Welcome to my channel Yantra Rakshana. Insert the drive and side sleeve. And also insert the non-drive and side sleeve. Rotate the sleeve. Insert the impeller key. Step is come to the drive and side. Key is lock the drive and side sleeve. When the pump is rotation in clockwise, impeller key lock the drive and side sleeve. Both are sleeve tight. Check the impeller length center 142 mm. Both drive end and non-drive end bearing seating length check both same 75 mm. Impeller center the shaft. Impeller length check 142 mm. Okay. Remove the non-drive end side sleeve. Insert impeller in the shaft. Impeller vanes are upward direction. Pump in rotation in clockwise condition. Insert the non-drive end side sleeve. Tight the sleeve. Drive and side sleeve is locked. Non-drive and side sleeve is tight the sleeve fully. Again check the both the drive and non-drive side. Check the dimension 70 mm 75 mm is correct. Okay. Impeller in center place. Insert the bearing in non-drive side. Impeller and bearing clearance is 0.2 mm to 0.7 mm. It is applicable. Insert the step box. Insert the water seal. Insert the bearing. Both bearings are double pin hole is near to the impeller. Insert the stopping box. Insert the stopping box in 2 gland, 1 latterning and 2 gland. Insert the water seal in drive and side. Insert the bearing seal cover drive end and non-drive end side. Heat the bearing in 120-degree in oil bath. Insert the bearing in non-drive hand side. Insert the locking washer. Tight the chuck nut. Insert the chuck nut. Tight the chuck nut in clockwise direction. Lock the washer in the chuck nut. Insert the bearing in drive hand side. Insert the bearing housing drive hand side. Tight the inside bearing seal cover. Bolts tight. Match the both bearing housing and stuffing bags. Insert the bolt. Tight the bolts. Bearing housing. Insert the bearing cover drive hand side. Insert the bearing housing non-drive hand side. Inside the tight the seal cover. Match the both bearing housing stuffing box. Insert the bolts. Match the bolts. Tight the bearing housing bolts. Tight the all bolts, seal cover and bearing housing cover. Insert the bearing cover. Tight the bolts. Rotating assembly completed. rotating assembly insert the bottom casing, match the bearing hole in the dowel pin, lock the both bearings in the casing, both bearings are inserted in the dowel pin, lock the bearing. Both drive end and non-drive side bearing housing bolts are tight. After inserted the top cover casing in the rotating assembly, insert the top cover. Tighten all the bolts, top side bearing housing bolts. Tighten the top casing bolts in opposite direction. Also tighten the bearing housing side bolts, both drive end side and non-drive end side. Tighten the side cover bolts. Tighten the top cover bolts in opposite direction. Tighten the top cover casing bolt opposite. All bolts tightened. Assembly is completed.